In the last lesson, we learned what a noun is. Today, let's explore the 4 types of nouns: people, places, things, and ideas. Remember from last time, a noun is a word that names something. Today, we go deeper into each type. Every noun belongs to one of these 4 groups: people, places, things, or ideas. Let's look at each one carefully. The first type is people. Any word that names a person is a noun: teacher, doctor, baby, king, friend, artist. Teacher names a person generally. Miss Chen names a specific person. Both are people nouns. We'll explore this difference more in Chapter 3. The second type is places. Any word that names a location is a noun: city, beach, hospital, garden, country, market. In a sentence, place nouns tell us where. She lives in a city. We went to the beach. City and beach are both place nouns. The third type is things, objects you can see or touch: chair, pencil, clock, umbrella, laptop, sandwich, all nouns. Things don't have to be solid objects: music, light, wind, fire. These are things you can experience even if you can't hold them. The fourth type is ideas, things you cannot see or touch at all: love, freedom, courage, knowledge, peace, beauty, all nouns. You might wonder, how is love a noun if you can't see it? Simple. A noun names something. Love has a name, so love is a noun. Look, idea nouns work exactly like any other noun in a sentence. Courage, justice, knowledge, power, they all have jobs in the sentence. Here's a quick summary: people, places, things, ideas. 4 types, hundreds of nouns. Every noun fits into one of these groups. Time for a quick game. I'll say a word. You decide which category it belongs to. Ready? First word, hospital. Hospital, a place. It names a location where people receive medical care. That makes it a place noun. Well done if you got it. Next word, anger. This one might surprise you. Think carefully. Which category does anger belong to? Anger is an idea noun. You feel it, but you cannot see it or touch it. It names an emotion, which makes it an idea noun. Watch out for this common mistake. Angry is not a noun, it's an adjective, but anger is a noun. The word form matters. Sometimes the same word can change category depending on how it's used. Light as an object is a thing noun, but light describing a feeling is an adjective. Context is everything. Amazing work! Every noun belongs to one of 4 groups: people, places, things, or ideas. Next time we explore common and proper nouns. See you there!